Rolling है?
Yeah, everybody rolling.
Roll. So how is the whole rehearsal going for New Year's Eve?
The rehearsals are pretty kick-ass right now. Thankfully, no injuries, nothing, but just full of fun. Enjoying it a lot because I think, New Year is so exciting for everybody, and it's sort of different to be celebrating it with so many people all together. So I think the performance in its own, it's not stressful or anything. It just becomes a lot of fun. I think इस साल you're right, there are lots of songs जहाँ पर सबको बहुत सुन के मज़ा आता है and perform भी किया जा सकता है. One of my favorites would have to be I think यार ना मिले from Kick.
Yeah. And are you even performing on the hit number of your own song Avari?
Yes, Avari is a part of the medleys that I'm doing, and so is Pilu. I think that remains a constant.
Prachi, on one side, people like to go and enjoy their New Year's with their family. They want to go out on a vacation, which most of the people from Bollywood are. How come you choose to work on that?
This year I am performing, but पिछले साल मैंने New Year's पर कोई performance नहीं किया था. So I think it's just a matter of choice, पिछले साल I had a great time with family, and this year I will be performing. So it's work, but yet at the same time, there are going to be so many people. So it will be fun along with that. Let's see, maybe next year again I'll choose to spend it with family or maybe perform. I don't know. So I think it's okay. It's about choice.
Do you also have any resolution made for yourself for 2018?
Actually, I think I need to make many resolutions this year because I've been, told by the people who work with me very clearly that this year I have to be more active on social media. So I think ये मेरा एक resolution ज़रूर है कि इस साल मुझे social media पर ज़्यादा active रहना है. Apart from that, I think I should make a resolution कि मुझे एक से ज़्यादा film तो करनी चाहिए इस साल. That's another resolution for me. Apart from that, all the fun things, I think they're taken care of anyway.
Okay, Prachi, you have just signed a movie with Imran Hashmi, like opposite Imran Hashmi. So how are you going to prep up for the role?
It's actually not official yet. I am reading the script, and I think once this performance is over and New Year event and everything is done, तब New Year में I think सारी बातें official होगी. अब तक कुछ भी official नहीं है, so I don't think I can comment on it, but I can say that if it happens, then it'll be a great one.
Have you seen the last blockbuster release of 2014, PK?
Unfortunately, I haven't yet watched it. No.
Oh, you haven't?
Not
because,
yet.
There are some controversies which are coming up, wherein people are trying to, comment that the religion is being brought into the picture. So, as an actor, do you think that such things shouldn't be taken into consideration when it comes to a creativity of a filmmaker?
I actually will not be able to comment on a particular film. आप जिस फिल्म की बात कर रहे हैं, unfortunately मैंने वो अब तक नहीं देखी है. मैं ज़रूर देखूँगी. I won't comment on a film, but I can say that ये चीज़ें I think बहुत common है. Every other day you're going to see these things happening क्योंकि शायद जब कहानियाँ लिखी जाती है या plot बनते हैं, it's so tough to keep certain things in mind and yet be restricted, and at the same time आप अपना message भी देना चाहते हो. I think it becomes so conflicting all in all. So nobody does it with purpose, I'm sure. So I just think it's something that happens, and it's not deliberate, obviously.
Right. Even the censor board is actually going ahead and supporting the film, and they're saying that we want to go ahead with it and we will not cut anything. So that's a good thing, right? I mean, being apart from the industry, what is your take?
I won't be able to say anything until I actually watch the film, but if that's what they're saying, then I think it's a good thing.
Some wishes for the viewers?
Absolutely. I'd like to wish all the viewers a very happy new year. Have a super rocking 2015. Don't break the resolutions that you make, and just enjoy yourselves.
Did you have any resolution for 2014 and did you break them?
2014 I actually did not make any resolutions क्योंकि मुझे पता था that they're all going to be broken. But this year I have to keep all my resolutions that I make.
प्राची, is it true कि वो फिल्म आपने साइन की है या अभी आप स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रही है? मतलब ये बहुत पेपर्स में भी आ गया कि आप साइन कर चुके हैं.
Well actually आपने जो पढ़ा है वो ऑफिशियल नहीं है अभी तक. सॉरी, आपने जो पढ़ा है वो अभी तक ऑफिशियल नहीं है. कोई भी ऑफिशियल अनाउंसमेंट्स जो है वो डेफिनेटली जनवरी में आपको मिलेंगी बिकॉज आई स्टिल हैव टू रीड द फिल्म, सो इट्स नॉट ऑफिशियल.
प्राची, कैसी लग रही है आपको स्क्रिप्ट? आप पढ़ रही हैं, कैसा लग रहा है? क्या चीज़ खास आपको पसंद आ रहा है कि ये फिल्म आप करेंगी, मतलब आप इच्छुक हैं?
You really want me to be killed here only?
मतलब कुछ चीज़ें तो मतलब पता है वो
I'd just make a very general comment on it, saying I think it's a very very interesting subject. जिस वजह से of course उन्होंने भी ये pick up किया है, and I'm sure that Mr. Azhar has millions of fans, and they'd love to watch his story unfold on screen, and I think it'll make for a great film.
Prachi, Kabir from Films of India, do you think that New Year resolutions, like when we approach the 31st December every year, people start talking about it, and then suddenly we forget about it in Jan or Feb. Do you think New Year resolutions are a farce? It's just a fun thing for time pass or something?
Of course it is. You think of it. You think of it only when it's happening, right? Like you think of Valentine's Day only in February. Right. You think of New Year only in the last week of December, or maybe just in the month of December. That's how it is. It's all momentary. But if you want to be disciplined and keep something on, then I don't think anything can stop you, whether it's the New Year or not. If you want to follow something, you'll follow it anyway. So I think resolutions should be so much fun that you by choice or just by default have to follow it. You shouldn't.
December or Jan, right?
Yeah.
प्राची, आपके साथ गौहर और ईशा गुप्ता भी परफॉर्म कर रही हैं अलग अलग जगह पे.
जी.
आपकी बात हुई, आपसे पूछा गया था कि आप कहाँ परफॉर्म करेंगी, किस तरीके से? मैंने आपने सोचा कि मुंबई में ही परफॉर्म करना है?
मैंने एक्चुअली मुंबई में कंट्री क्लब के लिए 2012 में परफॉर्मेंस ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है, एंड दिस ईयर आई थॉट इट वुड बी अ ग्रेट थिंग टू बी इन दिल्ली, समवेयर डिफरेंट. So that's how Delhi, I think, has happened for me.
एक कड़ी प्रतियोगिता भी हो जाती है आपस में जब एक ही साथ के लोग.
Oh my God, no way.
तो आप मतलब अपना बेस्ट देंगी, इस तरीके से आप सोच रही क्या चल रहा है?
कोई और परफॉर्म करे या ना करे, हमें तो अपना बेस्ट देना ही पड़ेगा because in today's time, everything is so fast and out there, and people I think they just judge so easily. So you have to give it your best. Everything has to be great and perfect. चाहे आप अकेले हो, कोई और है या नहीं है, you just have to do your best.
How's the next year lined up for you? Any another hot song from yours that we can expect?
Well, that depends. If there's another great number like that, why not? But yeah, in terms of films, you'll hear more than one announcement in January.
Okay, Prachi, you said you'll be more active on social media from now, from the new year.
Yeah.
Would it start from today with this event, tweeting about it? Because
It has
the
to.
last tweet was, I think, on September 26th. Not that I'm stalking you, but just asking a question.
No, I'm actually glad. Thank you for following up.
Was working so, yeah.
I saw that. I saw you checking. Yes, I think today would be a great day to actually to begin. Why wait for the first? Let's do it today.
ओके प्राची, अपार्ट फ्रॉम परफॉर्मेंस बात की जाए, आप जब भी मतलब आप बहुत देरी से पर्दे पे दिखाई दे रही हैं, मतलब आपके जो भी प्रोजेक्ट है काफ़ी समय बाद आ रहे हैं, तो क्या रीज़न है? मतलब कोई अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स आपको मिल नहीं रहे हैं या
well actually ये जो डिले है ये इट्स नॉट इंटेंशनल. कुछ फिल्में थी जो 2013 में 2014 में बनने वाली थी, मगर इट डिड नॉट गो ऑन फ्लोर इन टाइम, एंड उनमें से एक या दो बनी ही नहीं है अभी तक. So I guess that is why this whole long gap, but thankfully whatever is happening now, it's all going to happen fast. So in 2015 it won't be such a long wait.
Prachi, there were also reports that you and Ekta have just parted ways for some reason.
Where is this coming from? That's it. Any other question?
one moment.
Yeah. Yes.
हाँ प्राची, खबरों के मुताबिक वो मूवी में मतलब करीना भी है, तो कहीं ना कहीं करीना एक बड़ी स्टार.
Well, I just told you nothing is official yet. How would I be able to comment on anybody else?
लगता है कि जैसे फिल्म में कोई बड़ा स्टार हो तो मतलब उतना ग्राउंड मिलता है, या फिर जो तुलना
We are going-
कहीं ना कहीं कंपटीशन हो जाता है.
You're getting ambitious. We are going out of way. You should ask me this coming January. I think we'll have a clearer picture about that. Yeah. Thank you guys. I'll come here and take pictures.
राजी over here, please. हाँ एक मिनट डन